Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find 630 around the block women's beach cruiser bike, 1/3/7/21 speed bicycles, 26/24 wheels, multiple colors. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: item package dimensions 54 by 27.2 by 8.5 inches, package weight 20.87 kilograms, item dimensions LXWXH 67 by 28 by 17 inches, item weight 34 pounds, brand name 630, warranty description 365-day manufacturer warranty, which does not include returns. Returns are based on Amazon's 30-day return policy. Model name: around the block women's beach cruiser bike, 1/3/7/21 speed bicycles, 26/24 wheels, multiple colors, color coral with black seat, grips material steel, suggested users women's number of items 1, manufacturer 630 Enterprises, LLC, dropship part number 630,281, style around the block, women's, included components: bicycle frame with fenders, front and rear wheel, rear rack, hardware box, pedals, and reflectors, box with saddle, instruction manual, size 26/3 speed.